Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Bayu Aji Herlambang. I'm from class A1 from Informatik Engineering of Serang Raya University. In this opportunity, I will explain an application that I think very useful, namely Advanced System Care. Advanced System Care is a system tweak tool for Windows operating system developed and published by IOBit. Its main functionality, as declared by the developer, includes deleting junk files, reinforcing system performance, and speeding up slow PC. And now I will show you how to operate it. The first, you must open the application, and this is how it looks. There are several menus. The first, there are care menu, speed up, protect, toolbox, software updater, and the last one, action center. In this application, the main functionality is in the care menu. The one-click scan has been reserved as a classic feature advanced system care section, especially for users who are unable to tune up Windows system manually. The scan covers comprehensive fix for spyware removal, registry fix, privacy sweep, junk files clean, system optimization, security defense, and disk optimization. And now, I will try to scan my PC. We just click this button to start a scan for my PC. And then we can wait until this process is complete. After the scan is complete, a number of modules that need prepared and some problems will be appear. If we want to fix it, then we just click fix button in this button. And this is how it looks when the fix is complete. We can click back button and come to this home menu, and the second section is speed up. In this speed up section, there are for many features. There are turbo boost, hardware accelerate, deep optimization, app toolbar cleaner. And then in protect section, there are 6 features. The first, privacy shield, serving protection and edge removal, browser anti-work tracking, real-time protector, Face ID, and home page advisor. And then we go to toolbox. This is some application for speeding up your PC. The too many application in this, and we just skip it. We go to software updater. This is so the application that need update. In my PC, this Mozilla, Spotify, WinRAR, and Java need to update. And then the last is Action Center. This is a security protection and performance both with recommended program. There are rep updater, malware protection, disk optimization, program uninstaller, iPhone manager, and the other. Okay, I think that was all of this application. Thanks for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.